Keegan, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are doing a huge haul, like so big. I've always liked shopping, but recently I've just like been on this like binge of wanting to get new stuff because I love cute clothes and I don't have any. Even though I have an entire closet filled with clothes, I don't have any clothes, you know if you know. So I've just been shopping a ton recently and I've gotten a ton of new cute clothes and workout clothes. You guys may have seen some of these clothes before. By the way, this is a collective haul, so this was not just one giant shopping trip. If it was one giant shopping trip, then my bank account would hate me. Let's get started. I'm gonna start with Forever 21 and I'm gonna start with the jewelry because I know that if I don't do it now, I'm gonna forget it later. So like, I've been on this like obsession of finding like dainty gold jewelry. It's been my thing recently. So the first thing I got, can you even see this? It's kind of like a choker, but like not a choker. I don't really know. It's just this necklace. Can you even see it? I can't tell. I'm so far away from the camera. But I got this. All of these necklaces are pretty much the same thing, I'm not gonna lie. I got this set. I thought this was like one necklace with like 2 gems on it, but it's actually 2 necklaces. I'm not complaining. Basically like a gold necklace with a little fake diamond on it, and then one's longer and then one's shorter. And I like the shorter one, and I like it for it to sit like right in between my collarbone. I think that's just like the prettiest spot for dainty jewelry ever. So I got this. I also got this one, and it has like these 3 little hexagons, octagons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon. It has 3 little hexagons on it. Old school YouTube. I don't feel like putting it in focus because then I have to like unfocus myself, but it's really pretty, and I got it to sit like in that same spot, but it like dangles right here. Like the shortest thing makes it go right here, and I want it to be right here. If you guys saw my last video, which is my get ready with me for my senior pictures, go watch it if you haven't. I'll link it down below and in the cards. You guys have seen this necklace. This one is tangled, but I thought it was 3 individual necklaces that just came in a pack, but it's actually 1, which I don't know how I feel about that. And that's all the jewelry from Forever 21. So onto the clothes I got from Forever 21. I got this tank top right here. It's like this pink peachy color and it's cropped, and I really like Forever 21's workout stuff more recently. I got this and I thought it was super cute, and I like tying it in a knot just to kind of like give it some shape. I also got this off the shoulder like white top. There's like stuff on it. I don't know, there's like holes. It's not crochet. I don't know what it is. It kind of gives me like napkin vibes, but I think it's really cute. I don't know, I like it. It's very like, it makes me feel tan, so not complaining. I also got the same shirt that I had in pink and white. So this is it. I really like for working out here. It has like a little knot. Super cute. Okay, this shirt I'm like obsessed with. It's just like a white little tank top and has like ruffles at the bottom. I liked it so much that I bought it in 3 different colors. I bought it in white, in yellow, and in black. Now the issue is I tried it on in white and I was like, I love this. So I bought it in yellow and black without even trying them on. And the yellow and black one I feel like fit me weird. I like the white one, but my issue is I wore it and I washed it and it shrunk, and now it can probably fit an American Girl doll. I don't know if I'm gonna stretch it out or deal with it, but it's a lot smaller and it was the very last one they had, so I can't go rebuy it. But I'm obsessed with it and I think it's really cute and goes with a lot of stuff, and it makes me feel really tan, but if it's an American Girl doll. So I don't know what to do. I also got 2 sports bras. This one, the boob padding is folded on the inside right now. That's weird. Like the boob padding is like folded right here, not right here. I'll fix that later. Maybe should I fix it now? Why not fix it now? I think I just made it worse. I definitely just made that worse. It's like this light pink peachy color, and it kind of is, I'm not gonna try this on for you. I feel like that'd be weird. It's like a V-neck kind of thing, and then the back is really cute. You can see my tan line when I wear it in the back, which I really like. It kind of has like a hole. I'm gonna hold it upside down for you. Kind of has like a hole, as you can see here. That like, it just, I don't know why it does that, but it does. And you can see my swimsuit tan line, which I'm like, yeah, look at how tan I am. Like, this is a real tan guy. And then I also got this one. This is kind of like a seafoam-ish color. Really cute. I really like Forever 21 sports bras. I think they're really nice. And the back, I'm gonna hold it upside down again because it's just easier. It has like these little stripes in the back and then it crosses, and it's super comfortable and cute, and I really like it. The only thing with these is they're not like waterproof. When I sweat, you can see the sweat. Yeah. This is inside out. I had a presentation in my comp class and I needed to look nice, and I wanted to wear a pencil skirt, but no one I know has a pencil skirt because they're not trendy right now. But Forever 21 had one, and I'm not gonna try it on because it's so ugly, but it literally is, it goes like to my boob. Like it ends right here. And when I did my presentation, I took the top band and folded it down one so it wasn't as like high up to my chest, and then it goes down to like my knees, and it's very modest. Modest is the hottest. I would never wear this again. unless I had to for a presentation, but I bought it because I needed it. This was also in my senior pictures. I actually got this from Forever 21 Red, which is like Forever 21's outlet store. A ruffle off the shoulder top, and then has like these like pretty flowers. It kind of looks like a drawing, like you can color it in. And the one issue I have with this, it's a small, but I kind of feel like it makes me look pregnant. So when I wear it, I take a safety pin. You can actually see the safety pin right here. And I collect some of the material in the back and then just hide the ruffle over it. And that kind of makes me feel like I look less pregnant because there's not as much material. I actually wore it to a job interview and I got the job. So I'm like, I have one store that I just got one thing from, so I'm just gonna show you. I got this dress. I'm gonna just insert a picture here for my senior pictures. I bought it for my senior pictures. If this was like a solid color, I would so wear this to prom. It's so pretty. It's from a boutique called Diva's Boutique, which is like an Arizona boutique. They have them in like Tempe Marketplace, Mill, other places. I don't know. I've been there once. But it's this really pretty, just like long leaf dress. There's not like a slip on the inside. Like there's just literally a slit in the middle and no slip on the inside. But it goes up to like your, kind of looks like it's choking you a little bit, and has like a little opening for like your boobs, and then the back is open. One issue I have with this is I don't have enough boobs to fill it, so it kind of like, there's extra material. But I love this dress. I think it's gorgeous. Oh, another place that I don't think you guys can probably shop at, I think it's like Kalani something boutique, and it's like a mobile boutique, like one of those like car thing. It's like a car boutique, like a makeshift boutique, but it's really cute. My mom really wanted me to wear this for my senior pictures, but I just thought it was too busy. But it kind of scrunches up at the top, scrunches up at the bottom, and the sleeves kind of have like these like ruffle material stuff going on. It's cute. I like wearing it with white jeans. It's nice. For Victoria's Secret, I bought pasties and sticky boobs, which are now my newest obsession, because it's like wearing a bra but not wearing a bra. Like, it's so nice. I'm all out of pasties. I want to get more. But if you guys hate wearing bras and you have smaller boobs, try pasties or sticky boobs, because you don't have to wear a bra but you're wearing a bra. I also got this really cute bralette. This was an impulse purchase, but like what in this video hasn't been an impulse purchase? So it's like this really pretty like purple kind of like mauve color. I'm gonna hold it upside down. It's just easier to hold things upside down. Just kind of tilt your head. So it has lace at the bottom, and it kind of goes towards like here. So it has lace on the bottom, around the sides, and like on your boob area it has like this like silk, and in the back it has like little crossies. Yeah, super cute. And then Tilly's, I went shopping at Tilly's and like, girl, I got a lot of stuff and a lot of it is the same. So I got this shirt. I wore this shirt yesterday, so it kind of smells gross because I forgot to wear deodorant yesterday. And I was at my orientation for my college for like a really long time. But it's so cute. This is one of my favorite tops. It's off the shoulder, it's black, it has flowers, it's cropped, so it kind of scrunches at the top, scrunches at the bottom. I think it's so cute and I'm obsessed with it, and it smells gross. I wore this one on my birthday and I haven't worn it since, but I should wear it again. It's like this blue borderline there's hair all over me. I'm shedding. Borderline like periwinkle off the shoulder, and then the sleeves, there's like an opening and then a tie at the bottom, so it kind of goes down to like your elbow-ish area. It's really cute. I like wearing this with like white jeans or white shorts. A lot of pastel colors I like wearing with white instead of black. I just think it's more like girly. This one I just think is such a cute casual top. Oh, dropped it. So it's black and white striped off the shoulder, and then it has a tie at the bottom, and the tie at the bottom I think just makes it super casual and chill, like very summer vibes. Love it. I haven't worn this one recently, actually. This was in my senior pictures too. Most of the shopping was for my senior pictures, and then I just kind of like went overboard. But it's yellow top. It has like the scrunchy material at the top, off the shoulder, kind of goes down to like my elbow-ish area. Super cute. I like wearing this with like white jeans, white shorts, things like that. And then this one, I like am obsessed with this. It kind of reminds me of the Lash shirt, but it's a black off the shoulder top. The sleeves are shorter, the top is like scrunchy, and then it kind of flares out at the end with like just a nice like cotton, very soft like whoosh, whoosh material, and I really like it. I think it's just so cute. I like wearing this with like ripped jeans, like just kind of denim. I think it's really cute, kind of edgier. For me, this is what I consider edgy. And then Old Navy is the last place I went to, so I didn't have like any workout clothes. I like Forever 21's workout clothes more than Old Navy's, I discovered, but I didn't know that when I got this stuff from Old Navy. So I got 2 running shorts because I don't own running shorts. I've always worn leggings to the gym, and it's now like almost summer in Arizona. Like it's April and when it's like sweating weather. But I got these ones. These are too big for me. I am normally like a smaller medium in pants. I'm an extra small in these running shorts, but I accidentally bought a small in these. So they're a little like baggy on me, but they're just normal running shorts, and then they have like this like pretty like pastel stripe at the side, or like stripes, you know. This is my color palette. It's cute. The only thing I don't like is there's like the built-in underwear. I don't know why built-in underwear. I'd rather have built-in Spanx. And then I just got some simple like plain black ones. These ones I got an extra small, and I feel like they fit me better and I like them a lot more. So I really like these. I also got a swimsuit top. If you guys have seen my 15 swimsuits under $15. Oh, that one like knot swimsuit came in the mail. It's so cute. So cute. I bought this before I bought all those swimsuits, but if you guys are interested in seeing a ton of cute swimsuits that are super cheap, cards and down below, you know where to find it. So I got this like purple pastel swimsuit. My neighbor Kayla actually has it, so we're kind of twinning. They were all out of the bottoms in my size, so I just kind of wear like black bottoms with it. I've noticed that the little like backing likes to come undone a lot. Like it's always coming undone, and I can just easily flash someone with this swimsuit unintentionally if I want to, and I don't want to. I got this sports bra too. It's just like a pink light pastel color. What in this haul isn't pastel? It has boob padding. Most of the sports bras I have don't have padding, and I wanted one with padding. Got it. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I prefer the Forever 21 sports bras more, but it's still cute. I also got this sports bra, which I have a deodorant stain on. This one doesn't. Oh, I have 2 deodorant stains? Oh my gosh. This one doesn't have any padding, but I just thought it was like cute. It was black, and then on the bottom it says run, rest, repeat. Run, rest, repeat, and then it goes all the way around. Old Navy was having a sale, so like how could I not? And then the last thing I got is like the best like investment I've ever made. These weren't even expensive. It's like these royal blue leggings. The softest leggings I've ever owned. Better than Lululemon in my opinion. Just a lot cheaper than Lululemon. What is on them? There's like white everywhere. Do you see that? Do you see that? They're high-waisted, so they like suck in your stomach a little bit, so they make you look a little bit thinner than you actually are. And then on the sides, there's pockets. Look how far these, okay, my hand can't even go far. They're really deep. They fit my iPhone 7 Plus, and then there's also like a little sheer thing underneath the pockets. These are just the comfiest leggings ever, and I wish I had them all winter long because I'd probably wear them every single day of my life, but I didn't, and I'm really mad about it. And my sister totally copied me, and she bought them in army green, but it's okay. I forgive her for it. So that is my haul. Super long video. So much clothes. Now I need to get up and try all of these on for you guys, but I just ate a bunch of cookies, so like if I look pregnant, like it's my food, baby. Yeah. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.